By this point, we've created the lesson Minor Scales. We're now going to add our first exercise to it. Hover up to the 3 dots here and click Edit Lesson. On this page, click the Add Exercise button on the top right of the screen. Then click the piano icon. Here you can either drag and drop a MIDI file or select one of your previously uploaded files using the search bar. Once you import the MIDI file of your choice, it will be added to your lesson. To edit the exercise, click on the 3 dots on the right and select Edit. Now we need to complete these fields. First, fill in the name of your exercise. By default, the name of the MIDI file you imported becomes the name of the exercise, but you're free to change it to anything you want. Next, you have the option to provide a description. This is a great place to add some extra context to a new technique or explain something that isn't apparent in the music. Then select the tempo of the exercise. Then pick its default instrument. This next section is where you can edit the MIDI file for the exercise, which functions as your answer key. You can upload a new MIDI file to replace the current one using the Upload button. Clicking Select allows you to choose from previously uploaded files. The Configure button allows you to transpose your MIDI file up or down as much as 1 octave. The number system is based on the number of half steps. If you want to upload sheet music to your exercise, click the Sheet Music button and drag and drop an XML or Music XML file. This automatically attaches the notation file to the MIDI file, so if you were to duplicate your exercise and transpose it later on, the notation will stick with the file and transpose accordingly. If the Sheet Music button turns green after you hit save, that means your XML file is attached to the MIDI file. Next, checking this box allows students to switch between piano roll and sheet music displays of an exercise. Leaving the box unchecked will limit students to the view you set as the default in the following box. The piano roll is the default display on Midi, but if you check this box, sheet music becomes the default display. The next section is on backing tracks, and though it's optional, we recommend it. Click Upload to drag and drop a new audio file. We recommend an MP3 file, although WAV and M4A files work as well. Click Select to choose from your previously uploaded files. If you would like to remove your selected file, simply click the Remove button. Remember when you're adding a backing track to make sure it matches the tempo of your MIDI file. If you want to remove the metronome count in, check this box. Lastly, hit Save and view your exercise. If you notice that you're getting the wrong note names, it could be because your MIDI file was uploaded with the wrong key signature. To change it, click on Edit Exercise in the top right corner, then scroll down to the blue MIDI file name, click on it, and change the key signature to the correct one. Hit Save and go back to your exercise to check the change.